Hello everyone. So today we will see next topic, multiplication of rational number. And here multiplication we know everyone. If here they will cancel, we have to cancel, otherwise numerator multiply and denominator multiply. And next is divide the rational number. Division is also like this, but whenever we are writing in place of divide symbol multiplication, then second fraction will be reciprocal, means 10 will go up and 7 will come down, and in place of divide multiplication will come. Then we have to cancel, if we will cancel in 2 table, 2 7s are 2 5s are 10, then 5 into 5 will come here and 7 into 7 will come here, then 5 5s are 25, 7 into 7 49. If again they are cancelled, you have to cancel, otherwise write as it is. Now we will see next self practice 1c. So next practice 1c, we will see multiply first question. We will solve here. I'll solve in my notebook. First a, minus 3 by 4 multiply minus 8 by 9. So is equals to, whenever here you have to remember this rule, sign rule. Minus into minus will come plus, plus into plus will come plus, minus into plus will come minus, plus into minus will come minus. Mean if same will remain, then you have to write plus. same रहा साइन तो प्लस लिखते हैं, और अल्टरनेट साइन रहा तो माइनस लिखते हैं. So here both are minus minus so we will write plus. Now we have to see in any table they will cancel. We can write 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. So in numerator 2 remain and here denominator 3. So 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the last answer. Now similarly here you can solve B, C, D. Then we will see second question. Second question, if you will see, I'll solve third one, C. Third or second? Second, if I will solve B, second B. Minus 18 into minus 4, 5 by 9. Now see here, first sign multiplication, minus into minus will come plus. Then we will write 18 as it is, multiply, it is a mixed fraction, we will convert to simple fraction. If we will convert to simple fraction, then what will come? 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 5, 51, 41 sorry, then 41 by 9. Then again we have to see in which table it will cancel. Then 9 1s are 9, 2s are 18. Then here 2 remain, here into 41. So 2 into 41, if we will multiply, we will get 82. So like this we will solve second question. Then if we will see towards third question, this one is third question. 25 into this we will solve. In third question only one question, we will solve this question. (25 by 4 into minus 8 by 9 into minus 3 9 by 11 into 22 by minus 35. So here first of all sign multiplication, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So minus will come all three multiplication. After that, if you will see first here, anything will cancel. Yes, 4 1s are 4 2s are. Again, now see this is in mixed fraction, will convert to simple fraction. So here we can write this 25 into 2 by 9 into this 3 into 11 33 and 33 plus 9 will come 42 by 11 into 22 by 35. Then 11 ones are 11 twos are. Again if you will see, then 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42. Again if you will see 3 table, these 5 ones are and 5 5s are. Then what will cancel? 3 3s are, 3 2s are. Then what will remain here? 2 into 2. Here 5 into 4, 2 into 2 into 4, 2 remain. 5 into 2 into 2 into 2, and in divide 3. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. So this minus 40 by 3. This is our third answer. You can take here screenshot of this third question. Now we will see next question. Here question number 4. From here it is divide. So we will see here one by one. So first question we'll write 44 by 4th A, 44 by 65 divide 11 by 30. Now here divide, whenever divide is there, we have to write in place of divide multiply, and second fraction will be reciprocal. So 44 by 65 multiply, it will reciprocal. ऑलवेज सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन ओनली विल रेसिप्रोकल. सो जब भी हम डिवाइड की जगह मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन जो दूसरा वाला है वो ही रेसिप्रोकल होता है, मीन्स उल्टा हो जाता है. देन इन 11 टेबल 11 वन जा 11 4 जा, एंड अगेन इफ 13 टेबल 13 वन जा 13 3 जा, so 13 5 जा. Then here what will remain? Up in numerator 4 and down 5, so 4 by 5 is the last answer. So here if you will see here, we will see last one D. So D we will solve. 115 divide minus 23 by 5. Now again here divide means we will see divide, we can write multiplication, and second number will be reciprocal, and minus we can write in numerator, no problem. Then here if we will cancel here, if suppose 23 ones are and 23 5s are, if you will do, you will get this. Then here 5 into minus 5 will remain. 5 into minus 5 will come minus 25 is the last answer. Then if we will see next fifth question, first question we will see. Fifth first, minus 1 11 by 14 divide minus 1 7 by 18. So first of all here both are mixed fractions, so we will convert to simple fraction. So what will come here? 14 ones are 14, 14 plus 11 will come 25. So 25 by 14 divide, then 18 ones are 18, 18 plus 7 will come 25. So here again minus 25 by 18. Then minus 25 by 14 divide, we can write multiplication, and second fraction will be reciprocal. So minus 18 by 25. सो डिवाइड की जगह हमने मल्टीप्लाई लिए हैं और ये वाला फ्रैक्शन उल्टा हो गया, रेसिप्रोकल हो गया, माइनस एज इट इज़. नाउ माइनस इंटू माइनस विल कम प्लस, देन 25 कैंसल, एंड इफ यू विल सी, इफ यू विल कैंसल 2 टेबल 2 7s are 2 9s are, so 9 by 7 is the answer. So see here I have solved fifth A, you have to solve B, C and D similarly like this. So now we'll solve question number 6, this simplify. So that I will solve here. 4 by 9 divide 4 by 7 multiply 1 2 by 7. Now here first of all always you have to see the bracket. In bracket divide is there, so divide we can write multiply, so it will be रेसिप्रोकल. सो जब भी डिवाइड की जगह मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन रेसिप्रोकल होता है. 7/4 इंटू इट इज़ ए मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को पहले हम सिंपल फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो 7 1 ज़ा 7, 7 + 2 विल कम 9, सो 9/7. देन 7 7 कैंसल, 9 9 कैंसल, 4 4 cancel. So what will remain? All cancel means only 1 will remain. So this is the answer of 6th. Then see here 7th and 8th. I'll solve 7th, you have to solve 8th. So here 5 1/2 multiply -1 5/6 divide 2 3/4. So here always you have to solve the bracket, but in bracket here it is in mixed fraction, so convert to simple fraction. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11/2 into 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 5 will come 11, so 11/6. Again here minus is there, then divide. It is in mixed fraction, so convert to simple fraction. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, so 11/4. Now here plus into minus will come minus. If now here nothing will cancel, so numerator numerator multiply and denominator denominator multiply. So 11 into 11, if you will multiply you will get 121, and 6 2s are 12. So divide. Now see here divide directly. Now I am writing into, so this fraction will be reciprocal. डिवाइड की जगह हमने डायरेक्ट इंटू लिखा है तो ये वाला रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. देन अगेन आप यहाँ पे अगर हम डिवाइड कैंसिल ये करते हैं तो वो 11 1 ज़ा 11 11 ज़ा. देन इफ़ यू विल कैंसल बाय 4 टेबल, 4 1 ज़ा 4 3 ज़ा. So here what will remain? In numerator only 11 and in denominator only 3. Here minus is there, so minus, so minus L1/3. But if you have to write this in the form of mixed fraction, you have to divide. You will get the answer -3 2/3. So here you will get, this is the answer. You can take screenshot of this answer. So like this you have to solve remaining 8th question. You will get answer. It is very easy exercise. So thank you.